Guys, what's up? I'm back again with part 2 of my Pantaloons sale haul, and as discussed in my previous video, which was Pantaloons sale haul part 1, that was about clothing, that this video is going to be about accessories, bag, footwear or whatever I've got from there. And for those who have not watched my previous video, I'm gonna link it down somewhere in the description box so you can go and check it out. Coming back to this video again, I just wanted to say that I majorly like Pantaloons because of its accessories. I love clothing too, but accessories are the one that just pull you in and they just convince you to buy them, especially at the time of sale when you get gems in incredibly cheap price with it, which is just out of your imagination. So without much ado and without me blabbering a lot, let's straight away jump into the video. Earrings first, then I'll be moving on to the neck pieces, then the other stuff left. So the first thing which I picked from my section, my earring section, is this very gorgeous golden colored earring. As you can see, it's a flower design, flowery design you can see, and it's a cage detailing. I hope the camera is focusing on it, with a black colored bead inside. And this is something which looks very heavy, but I must say it's very lightweight. And this is something you can pair with any kind of a traditional outfit, like with suit or sari, which is having a tint of black and gold. And I wore this with a red colored sari with golden and black border, and that was looking very regal, I would say. And it's from brand Annabelle, and its original price is 200 rupees and 50% off on this, so I got this for 100. The next thing which I picked is again a very beautiful earring. As you can see, it's a round shaped earring which has so many pearls running around the entire periphery of this earring, and the center of attraction of this earring is this bead. And this is something you can pair with any of your traditional dresses like gowns or off-shoulder dresses. This will look very chic with that. And this gives you a very classy look, or you can say very regal look. And it's from brand Jazz, and its original price was 600 or something, and 50% off on this also, so I got this for I guess 350 rupees. So yeah, moving on to the next thing which I got from Pantaloons is a very beautiful earring. As you can see, this is like in falling structure. It has like two chains with three arcs of three different sizes falling next to each other, and the best part about this is these mint colored stones running on this entire arc design. And I'll probably wear this with my mint colored suit because I was having nothing to which would go best with that suit, so I had to take this, so I took this. And its original price is 299, 300 rupees, and 50% off on this also, so I got this for 150. And I must say this is something which looks way more costly than its original price. So yeah, moving on to the next thing which I got, or I must say the last earring which I have from Pantaloons is this. It looks very smart, or I would say very sexy. It has like two triangles attached with each other with these small hooks, and this is something which you can pair with traditional outfit also and western outfit also, with just make a high ponytail and wear this. And you won't believe that its original price was 99 rupees and 50% off on this also. I got this for rupees 50, which is just out of your imagination. And guys, I must say, I'm holding this and I can see this in real, so I must say it looks way more costly. I mean, it looks costlier than 200 or 300 rupees. So yeah, this was all from my earring section. I will show you what it looks on me. This is what it looks like. And the next earrings, I'm going to attach pictures so that you can see what they look like. Moving on to the next section, which is like neck pieces, and the first thing which I picked up is a very beautiful yet very elegant golden colored chain neck piece. It has a golden chain which falls straight till your chest, and then it has an elliptical loop with a pearl inside. And this is something which looks very I would say it looks very chic, and this is something you can pair with even light color dresses also, or dark color dresses also. And if you might have seen my previous video, that is part 1, I have shown you one of my pink color top. I wore this with that, and that was looking so chic. And this is from brand Annabelle, and its original price is 300 or 350, yeah 300, and 50% off on this also, so I got this for rupees 150. The next piece I have is a statement necklace. This is the one. You can see it has two golden chains, and this entire structure is attached with each other with these small hooks. And this looks very bold, and it's of magenta color, and this is something which just lifts your entire look. And if you might have seen my previous video, in that I have shown you one of my top which is of off-white color with feather neck, and I paired this one with that dress, and that was looking so regal. It's from brand Annabelle, and its original price is again 350% off on this also, so I got this for rupees 150. Now the next piece is one of my favorites. This is something which is bang on trend this time. The next piece I have is this beautiful choker, if you can see, and I like this this thing which falls right behind your neck, and this makes very beautiful noise you can hear. And the best part about this choker I like is its combination. The combination of black with matte gold and gold is just fabulous. And this is something I actually like. Its beading part, the beading is so good and so well defined, and this is something you can wear with your off-shoulder dresses or your cold shoulder dresses, and this will rock your world. And yeah, this is from brand Jazz, and 50% off on this also. I got this for rupees 300. That means 600 is the original price of this one, and I must say I'm holding this, and this looks way more costly than its actual price. Now moving on to the next piece. This has to be my favorite, so I'm going to show you at the end. This is what it looks like, and this is a very beautiful neck piece which has like two chain, and the best part is this major arc which has a collection of multiple pearls of fluorescent color, blue, it's orange and pink, and then it has a very small coin detailing, then a big coin attached with this particular arc. And the best part about this neck piece is, first of all, it's rose gold color, and then next it's beautiful tassels, if you can see, which are like in form of fringes. And you must be knowing that tassels are bang on trend this time, and just because of a tassely look, it looks very classy with white colored shirts or any kind of shirts. It gives a very flattering look with white colored shirts, I must say, and also with dark colored dresses you can wear. And yes, this is from brand Jazz, and its original price was 650 rupees, and 50% off on this also, so I got this for rupees 325. So this was end of this neck piece section. The last piece of my accessories section is this beautiful golden colored bangle. This is a matte gold within an opening in the behind, and the detailing which I would see is, it's a mesh of so many matte gold wires. So it's just like a mesh of wire, and this looks like a bracelet or kada, or so this is something you can pair in your traditional day in office or something, so that your colleagues will not get disturbed by this. And its original price was 400. This is also from Annabelle. Original price was 400 and 50% off on this also, so I got this for rupees 200. The next thing which I picked up is very beautiful, this bag. As you can see, this is from brand E2O, and it is of suede leather material, if you can see, and with brown color tint of gold color. And the best part about this bag is these beautiful studs, as you can see. I hope the camera is focusing on this, and it has a small handle, so you can take it in the crook of your hand, and I must show you from inside. It has this division so that you can categorize your stuff, and then it has this one chain pocket where you can keep your change or something you need to take out quickly. And it has these two pockets. In this pocket you can keep your phone, and this one you can keep your lip balm or so. It has got this sling also, so you can, if you want, you can take it in casual way, but I would see if I'll use it because I'm liking it this way only. And yes, its original price was 2800 rupees and 50% off on this also, so I got this for rupees 1400. last piece of my haul is this very beautiful footwear. As you can see, it's of coral shade. And you know, when you enter Pantaloons at the time of sale, you'll see they have categorized their entire footwear section in so many parts, like 499, 599, 799, 999. And what they do, they just make a pile of their footwear and put it in table. So you'll see so many girls here and there around this. So you just need to be patient and just dig the gem out of it, which I actually did. So yeah, this is from brand Honey and its original price was $4.99. So guys, this was end of this haul. I hope you might have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give a big thumbs up to this video because that would mean a lot to me. Also subscribe to my channel, and for those who have not yet subscribed, you can still subscribe to my channel. You just need to press the subscribe button right there down the bottom bar. And thank you so much for watching this video. The further videos are going to be very interesting because I'm planning to take up the challenges given by some of the beauty bloggers. So I'm gonna try them on. For that, you need to subscribe to my channel. For that, please hit the subscribe button and also comment in the section box what other videos you want from me and other hauls you want from me. So yeah, that was all from this Pantaloons section. See you in my next video. So till then, take care and bye.